So what's up everyone, Cyberpower here, and welcome back to the channel. The evolution of AI has fundamentally shifted the game for both defenders and attackers, creating a new arms race in the digital world. We're talking about systems that can learn, adapt, and even predict security threats before they happen. The future of hacking, and by extension, ethical hacking and cybersecurity, is inextricably linked with artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the top 10 AI tools every hacker, pen tester, and cybersecurity pro needs to know for 2026. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Recon AI. Recon AI transforms reconnaissance from a manual grind into an AI-driven intelligence operation. It crawls the web, social media, code repositories, and dark web forums, correlating data to build a comprehensive target profile. The tool cross-references infrastructure details with an AI-curated database of vulnerabilities, instantly flagging exploitable weaknesses. It identifies misconfigured cloud buckets, exposed API keys, and leaked credentials, automating deep-dive recon that would take a human days. Recon AI turns overwhelming data into actionable intelligence, giving hackers a massive head start. For ethical hackers, it means less time on tedious tasks and more on creative problem-solving. Recon AI doesn't replace the hacker, it supercharges them. It's the essential starting point for modern, AI-driven offensive security. That's why it's a must-know tool for 2026. At number 9, meet PhishGuard Pro. Phishing is still a top attack vector, and PhishGuard Pro uses AI to make simulations hyper-realistic. It generates context-aware phishing emails by scraping company websites and social media, crafting messages that reference real events and use authentic branding. The AI analyzes employee roles and communication patterns, targeting departments with the lures they're most likely to fall for. For blue teams, it acts as an intelligent filter, analyzing linguistic patterns and sender reputation to catch sophisticated attacks. It learns from every email, constantly improving its detection. For red teams, it enables state-of-the-art phishing campaigns with detailed analytics. Organizations get a true sense of their risk and actionable data to improve training. PhishGuard Pro is a dual-purpose tool, perfect for both attack simulation and defense. It's a must-have for social engineering in the AI era. Number 8 is MalGenX, a game-changer for offensive testing. MalGenX uses machine learning to generate unique, evasive malware samples for penetration testing. You define the payload's goal, and the AI creates code that adapts to evade detection, using techniques like junk code and multi-stage encryption. Its AI-powered Sandbox analyzes malware behavior, comparing it to thousands of samples to identify novel evasion tactics and predict intent. The feedback loop means MalGenX learns from every detection, evolving its techniques to bypass defenses. For red teams, it simulates zero-day threats, testing endpoint security against the unknown. It's not about using old malware, it's about creating tomorrow's threats, safely and ethically. MalGenX ensures defenses are tested against the latest attack methods. It's invaluable for anyone serious about realistic, advanced security testing. MalGenX is the future of malware simulation. At number 7 is DeepFuzz, the next-gen fuzzing tool. DeepFuzz uses deep learning to understand valid input structures, generating test cases that reach deep into application logic. Its reinforcement learning model rewards itself for triggering new code paths, focusing on the most complex, bug-prone areas. This targeted approach finds vulnerabilities traditional fuzzers miss. DeepFuzz automates the discovery of hidden high-impact bugs, running 24/7 and constantly improving. For bug bounty hunters and security analysts, it's a force multiplier. It represents the future of automated vulnerability discovery. DeepFuzz is essential for anyone hunting for serious software flaws. Number 6 is NetSleuth AI, redefining network traffic analysis. It uses unsupervised machine learning to baseline normal network behavior, then flags anomalies in real time. NetSleuth AI detects lateral movement, suspicious logins, and stealthy data exfiltration, even if the payload is encrypted. Red teams use it to map networks passively and plan undetectable movements. Blue teams get prioritized alerts, cutting through noise to focus on real threats. It's about seeing behavioral patterns, not just packets. NetSleuth AI is a critical tool for both attack and defense. It's indispensable in the modern security landscape. At number 5 is CodeSage, the AI code review assistant. CodeSage analyzes codebases with context, tracing user input through complex flows to spot multi-stage vulnerabilities. It identifies subtle logic flaws and suggests concrete fixes, drawing from a vast database of real-world patches. The AI reduces false positives and accelerates remediation, making code reviews faster and more accurate. For security auditors, it's like having an expert pair programmer. CodeSage scans millions of lines in minutes, prioritizing the most critical findings. It lets you focus on nuanced issues while the AI handles the rest. CodeSage is a massive efficiency boost for application security. Number 4 is Social Mapper 2.0, the ultimate OSINT and social engineering tool. It uses AI to correlate targets across platforms, building rich digital footprints by analyzing writing style, interests, and connections. The AI creates psychological profiles, powering hyper-personalized spear phishing and vishing scenarios. Social Mapper 2.0 automates the painstaking process of target research, providing actionable insights for realistic attack simulations. For red teams, it's the go-to for advanced social engineering planning. It helps you understand and exploit the human element at scale. Social Mapper 2.0 brings social engineering into the AI age. At number 3 is Vuln Predictor, the tool that forecasts future vulnerabilities. Vuln Predictor uses machine learning to analyze trends in software releases, developer discussions, and code complexity. It predicts which components are most likely to have future bugs, creating a heat map of high-risk areas. Blue teams can proactively focus resources, while hackers and bug hunters get a roadmap to the most promising targets. It's a shift from reactive patching to proactive hardening. Vuln Predictor gives you a crystal ball for vulnerability research. It's a paradigm shift. Hunt for future flaws, not just existing ones. This tool changes how both sides approach security. Vuln Predictor is the future of predictive cybersecurity. Number 2 is StealthBot, the Autonomous Pentesting agent. StealthBot automates the entire attack workflow, prioritizing stealth above all else. Its reinforcement learning model adapts to each environment, choosing the quietest, least detectable path to its objective. It learns from every action, avoiding techniques that trigger alerts and blending into normal network traffic. Red teams deploy StealthBot to handle standard tasks, freeing up humans for creative exploits. It can persist and explore networks for days, feeding back intelligence. StealthBot thinks, adapts, and hides like a real adversary. It's the pinnacle of automated penetration testing. And at number 1, Patch Genie, AI for automated security patching. Patch Genie takes vulnerability reports and generates patches using models trained on millions of real code commits. It understands the flaw, writes a seamless fix, and self-verifies by running exploits and regression tests. Only high-confidence, safe patches are proposed. For defenders, it slashes patching time from weeks to hours. For hackers, it changes the game. Bug reports can be submitted and patched automatically, streamlining disclosure and payouts. Patch Genie automates the final step in the vulnerability lifecycle. It's a revolution for both offense and defense. Understanding Patch Genie is critical for anyone in cybersecurity. This tool is set to change everything. There you have it, 10 AI-powered tools set to define cybersecurity in 2026. AI is now the engine driving both attack and defense, and the gap between adopters and laggards will only grow. Which tool stood out to you? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you want to stay on the cutting edge, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. More future-focused content is on the way. See you in the next one.